Good morning. I'm going to show y'all the Dyson Hairdryer. This is it. It's nice. Very well put together. It's got the on and off, cool shot. This is your heat. And this is the high, low, okay? I'm going to be using the diffuser because I've got to go to work. It comes with other attachments. This is a smoothing attachment, and it works pretty good. Like if you have flyaways, you get it, and you just run it down your hair, and it takes care of that. And it has the little brush comb. And magnetic. They're magnetic. They just pop on. Pop on and off, which is neat. I like that. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, I put vitalizing spray in my hair by Nature when I get up in the morning. I like this. I just kind of dampen my hair and put some of this in there. I'm going to put some mousse. And of course, this is for curl boosting. So I'm just going to put some of that. Just a little bit. Just all over. Just to kind of keep the frizz. But I've used this thing to dry my hair, and it really does help with frizz. Okay. I'm almost out of mousse, huh? So I just put it just to kind of hold it. And I do cut my own bangs. I've tried to grow them out, and I've tried to grow them out, and I've always had bangs. So I keep them. So I'm gonna turn it on. Isn't that neat? And it is kind of loud. And they say you just put the curls into the barrel. Okay. I just kind of put it on my hair. So, anyway, now my bangs, y'all, if I could wear a hat every day to work, I would. Because my hair can be a challenge. But I'm going to probably curl this with just a little, or I might even just put it up. I don't know. But you can see how it does the curls. See? I think they're pretty. So, I'm going to finish my makeup and get ready for work because I'm traveling back and forth. And I'll talk to y'all later.